Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies using a steamer. First, gather your ingredients and prepare your steamer. Add water to the steamer pot, ensuring it doesn't touch the bottom of the steaming basket. Line the basket with parchment paper to prevent sticking. This method creates a wonderfully soft and chewy cookie, a delightful alternative to traditional baking. It's a simple process once you understand the key steps for success. For best results, use a dough that's not overly wet, as steaming adds moisture. Roll your dough into small, uniform balls or shapes, roughly 1.5 inches across. This ensures even cooking. Carefully arrange them in your prepared steamer basket, leaving at least 1 inch of space between each cookie. This allows the steam to circulate properly, cooking them thoroughly and preventing them from sticking together. Once your steamer is ready, place the basket over the simmering water. Cover tightly and steam over medium-high heat for 8 to 12 minutes, depending on their size and thickness. You'll know they're done when they look set and slightly puffed up. Avoid oversteaming, as this can make them too soft. Carefully remove them and let them cool on a wire rack for at least 10 minutes. To elevate your steamed cookies, try adding different flavorings to your dough, such as matcha powder, chocolate chips, or a hint of lemon zest. These variations can truly transform the experience. Store any leftover cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain their freshness. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial outlook, check out the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. It's a valuable resource for anyone interested in building wealth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.